Hi, I'm Lillian Rodriguez and I'm here participating in the first All Goa Cadet Athletic Meet in the event 60 meters. Overall, it was a really good experience the way the events were organized, and it was really fun. I had a good time. So it was really good watching all the events. It was organized very nicely. The events the timing between the events were feasible. There was a rest time, and yeah, the whole thing was really exciting.
I participated in the 600 meter under 14 girls category, and I've secured the first place. Overall, this experience has been amazing for me, especially since it's my first time, and I look forward to going to many more. I'm really thankful to Go in Athletics for the amazing way they organized this entire meet, and I'm really thankful to Sir Patrick Suarez who coached me through all this.
Hi, I'm one of the parents who have come in for this meet today. It's the Go in Athletics. The kids had a really awesome experience, and it is very well organized. It's an amazing platform for the kids. They had the age group of 14 up, like under 14, and the minimum age group was under 8, which was really good. And it's a stepping stone for a lot of them, all for the experience and exposure for a lot of kids who would like to know what athletics is in Goa. I think it encourages them, and they will look forward for the upcoming meets in the future. Thank you.
I'm a parent of David Godino, who took part in the under 14 60 meters. And I must say that we are really impressed with the way everything was organized. From the start to the finish, seamless. All the organization, all the officials, the children, the participants were given medals, certificates, snack, everything organized really well by the Goa Athletic team. We've taken part in a lot of competitions, but this was one of the better organized competitions. And we were proud to be a part of this.
Hi everyone. The Goan Athletics has organized this meet for the Goan young budding athletes for their motivation, to motivate them, because always we have major meets in North Goa, whether it is Padang Sport Complex or Bamburi Sport Complex. We thought of having this event in South Goa to give a boost to the young budding talents for the future participation.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.